Hello everyone. Ever wondered how your code turns into something a computer can actually run? That's where compilers and interpreters come in. In this short video, I'll break down what each one does, how they're different, and use a fun real-time example to help you remember all in under 5 minutes. A compiler and an interpreter both convert your human-readable code into machine code a computer can understand. The difference lies in how they do it. A compiler translates the entire program all at once. It scans your code, checks for errors, and produces a separate executable file. That file can then run anytime, no need for the source code again. An interpreter, on the other hand, reads your code line by line. It translates and runs each line as it goes. If it hits an error, it stops right there, and the rest doesn't run. Here's a simple example to understand compiler and interpreter. Imagine you have a book written in Japanese and you only speaks English. A compiler is like a translator who reads the entire book, translates it into English, and gives you the whole translated book. Once it's done, anyone can read it, even without the translator present. An interpreter is like a live translator who sits beside you and reads the book line by line, translating each sentence out loud. If they come across a word they don't know, they stop and say, "I can't go on." That's the core difference. Let's apply that to actual code. Here's a Python script. Python uses an interpreter. It prints hello, but crashes on the second line due to division by 0. The third line never runs. Now let's look at the same logic in Go, which is a compiled language. When you try to compile this, Go throws an error division by 0 and won't even generate an executable. Nothing runs until you fix it. Here's a simple breakdown. So interpreters are great for fast testing and scripting, while compilers are ideal for speed and reliability in large projects. Think of it like this. Compiler is equal to full translated book in your hands. Interpreter is equal to someone whispering the book to you as they go. Both get the job done. It just depends on what you need. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it, or drop your favorite programming language in the comments. Thanks for watching.